Recently lang namin nalaman na yung 50% off promo ng BPI sa Bistro Group of Companies is back. Syempre, ang first namin trinay is yung favorite namin na Texas Roadhouse. We really miss the peanuts and the only bread here. Iba daw talaga yung lasa ng peanuts dito, sabi ng husband and daughter ko. Kami naman ng son ko, we love the bread here. Super soft and buttery. Ilang beses na kami nakakain dito and meron na kaming mga favorites here. This is the crispy chicken salad. Favorite ng kids ko dito yung hot crispy chicken. Masarap ka naman papakin. And yung greens nila sobrang fresh. Must order na sa amin itong beef ranchero kasi super favorite ng son ko. Sobrang lambot na beef seasoned with Mexican spices. First time to try their sliders. Cute mini burgers with freshly baked buns. Okay din to, meaty and juicy yung patty pero mas na-enjoy ko dito yung fries sa gitna. Crispy kasi and may seasonings yung fries, very tasty. Eto naman, request ni hubby, their award-winning baby back ribs. We love this kasi fall off the bones talaga, ang lambot. Tapos yung sauce niya, tamang-tama lang, hindi overpowering. It comes with a side dish, tapos pwede ka pang mamili ng 2 additional side dishes. Chose buttered corn and mashed potato. Eto naman ako yung may favorite nito, the boneless chicken barbecue. I like this kasi super tender nung chicken and ang sarap nung sweet marinade sauce with a charred flavor, haluan pa ng vinegar. At dahil birthday month ng son ko, binigyan pa siya ng free ice cream. Isa talaga sa mga favorite namin under ng Bistro Group ang Texas Roadhouse. Up to Feb 16 na lang yung promo ng BPI every Friday and Saturday. Wish ko lang ma-extend pa.